So this is the shop. Just get some water. This is the shop. Oh, very warm, very warm. 2 water, please. Okay, thank you very much. I have 10 somewhere. 50, 50, 50. I have 20. Okay, this one smaller. Teşekkürler. Let's put this there. Okay. So this is the Green Nature Diamond Hotel. Very nice. All inclusive 5-star. Come here to stay one day, inshallah. Got loads of shops downstairs.
Also steep.
Huh?
It's steep.
Thing is, there's McDonald's and Migros, which is a supermarket, relatively cheap food, obviously, as you get from supermarket. And these are the shops below the Green Nature Diamond Hotel. This guy sit here. Oh no, Carlos Steakhouse. Anyway, there's this guy that sits here. Every time we walk past, he gives us the rate. This guy that sits here, every time we walk past, he just tells us the rate. So they got they drive on the right, so they got this cycle lane that people can use, which is good. No taxis you can need them, but obviously we're not going, so there's some shops. It's quite dead during the day, no one comes out, but after sunset it's heaving. We have to walk on the actual cycle lane because there's that many people that we have to dodge them or overtake them. There's another Migros. It's dotted around the strip. Supermarket, you get water for like 3 liras, which is pence really, and at the hotel they charge you like triple. So we're back at Blue Port. So this is the first floor on Blue Port, that's ground floor, so we're in the first port. 12, this way. Okay. So this is Blue Port. So we're going to the 3rd floor. It's relatively a small shopping centre, but it's got your usual clothes, jewellery, toys, and cinema. It's got a cinema and food place upstairs. Okay, so that's them two going upstairs, and there's from the top view. So this is the chandelier, quite big. That's the dome. Oh, second. Somebody parasailing. Speedboat. So red dragon and there's Mom's over there. There's McDonald's. We tried McDonald's, one behind McDonald's, we tried that. There's a strip. Ami, kaitin ice cream. Alright, tumra karo ami khaimuni. So we're at Waffle. Let's see. Fresh juice. So I'm gonna try a milkshake. Milkshake? Chocolate. Chocolate. One. $30 milkshake. 30 liter?
30, yes.
Oh, are you the shopkeeper? Sorry, mate.
Thank you very
I thought you was somebody wanting to buy chocolate. Okay, so chocolate milkshake. I try. See. Just trying milkshake 30 liters. While these two are getting massage over there in the distance. There's the Ataturk statue. Just got off the bus. And Bazaar, which is there. And this is the marina we got off at. Where are you going? Yeah, over there in the distance, so that's where we're walking to. This spot is called Marina.
That looks like.
So we could put the shades on because makes you squint in the sunlight. So these are the boat trips. There's the castle in the distance. You can see it. And these are the boats that you can hire for the day. Over there. Look, Turkish flags everywhere. There's another. Look. This one talking I can see the castle. Haydi. Go.
Nerede kalıyorsun? Wow, brother, very good. Very good, very good. Mashallah.
He slipped back street. Did they think you go that way? Ayo, let's go that way. That looks like exit. Okay. Oh, that's where the azan came from, the masjid. Yeah. There's lots of tattoo shops here, isn't there? There's the masjid that azan came.
Is this the mosque we got for prayers?
No, not that one. This is the one that I checked on the map. It's just near Green Nature.
What's this one?
This one in Marmaris town, downtown. This is an old town.
Very nice mosque.
Yeah, Ogano is do you know that guy on the YouTube? He said come down here. This is the old town. Yeah. Old town, Ogan. Kids World. My fridge magnet. The gift shop. Hey, ikan sana skota do
6 for dosh, 6 for dosh.
Huh? 6 for dosh. That's less than 2 taka.
That's for 6 for 10 quid. Oh, can't be that expensive.
Yeah,
So
but
how much
extra 10 taka.
Nicholas.
So we want faster 10 taka de and
Hey. Negros.
Migros.
My favorite WC.
I just been. Oh. Facebook.
Let me
Facebook.
go WC.
Let you go to the toilet.
Oh, are you going to some stone? These two are going this way. Lots of shops. More shops.
Yok, karşılaşmayalım. Yoruldum sabahtan beri. Tamam. Tamam. Hadi görüşürüz.
Kita wait, Toby. What? What's over there? Spice shop. Spicy shop. Okan kita sweet shop ni. Kontak sweets ni mana? Lepas cream cosmetic shop, spicy shop, and we come out of the old town into the new town. Waffle see Kaan. So let's see what's this about. Toot toot. Yeah, this is the dessert place. Waffle, more waffle, crab. How there? Durum mane wrap.
Chocolate wrap.
Yeah, two voices durum जायते क्या? Durum नहीं, durum. Waffle.
Try it. Butter. This guy wiki. Oh, honey tehna ki tarhe.
It's a waffle plus fresh juice, 100%. Okay, I think I'll get fresh juice. I mean the
I don't get waffle.
now waffle too heavy is it? I'm not going to digest this. We got the Boston week. So this is the place. What fresh juice do you have?
Lemonade.
Lemon?
Yes.
Just lemon? Nothing else?
Yes,
No, none this one? Pomegranate? No, pomegranate. No pomegranate. I want, it's cold.
Cola.
No, juice cold. No cold.
Fresh.
Fresh.
No.
Okay, fresh. You do milkshake as well?
Milkshake.
Milkshake. Yeah. Milkshake.
Şu anda yok.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Lemonade. Coffee, Nescafe, Americano, latte.
All right. Okay. I have juice.
Orange juice.
You said what juice you have? Orange and what? Just orange. Just orange juice. This one.
No. Son.
Finish.
Yes.
All right. Or just lemonade. Basically, you do waffle?
Yes.
Waffle I say.
Adults have 11.
I'm going to try cold drink. I need cold.
Lemon and lemon.
Yeah.
Cold Fanta.
Let me try. Ooh. So I got this fruity. I think it's watermelon flavor and strawberry from the picture. I can't really say what it is. So Toby got this one. It's called Love Boat. Hey Shamu, do you know what it's called? Love Boat.
Tomorrow?
So the food is here. It's quite
I wonder if they do like French toast.
Let me easy in this. We're licking our lips
Looks very nice though. So
because Shamu's broke
let you have a cherry.
and dia kau nam dia ni dise Topian love boat. Dia kita love boat orang mana? White chocolate, strawberry, banana, pineapple, sour cherry, strawberry ice cream, coconut, strawberry sauce.
It tastes banging, lads.
Alright, let's have a look. Toby, give it a bite and give it a review. Toby has spoken. This is getting 8. The love boat got 8. So it's 20 past 6. And catching a local bus.